I actually tested this idea in the context of a large online course. It's 125 student enrollment in this particular course that I'm going to show you a little video from as to how we did it. Weekly modules involve 2 lecture videos plus readings plus a quiz on in every week. 3 multiple choice written combination exams. There was also a term project that they had to do that I didn't write about here. One of the important parts of the course, though, is that every week I post a little video. It's about 5 minutes long about here's what to expect. It's like the sort of equivalent to the first 5 or 10 minutes that you would normally have in a class. Here's the stuff that's coming up today. Here's the stuff that we're talking about. Here's what you should worry about. So I have these little videos normally. And what I did in this course is that in addition to that little video, I said, after we did the mid-semester evaluation, I said, we're going to next have this optional video. You don't have to watch it if you want. But I'm just going to spend a little bit of time going through the mid-semester evaluations that we conducted. And I'm going to talk through it. I'm going to just discuss my reactions and my findings from that mid-semester evaluation. So let me show you that video.
Next question, we have a little bit of a split opinion. The format of the course has been helpful to the way that I learn. Most people agreed, we've got mostly 4s, but we also have a sizable group in the disagree and the strongly disagree, and also a fair group that strongly agree. It's leaning more toward the agree side, so that's what I want to see. But I'm honestly not sure what to change to make that any better. So hopefully, we're talking about your written responses later, so perhaps some of those issues are why people disagree with that question.
Making videos is much easier than it used to be. If you have access to a webcam, which is pretty much any laptop these days, then you can record a high quality, or at least sufficiently high quality response video to meet student expectations. There are plenty of free options, so as long as you have that computer, you're probably fine. Windows Movie Maker on the Windows side and iMovie on the Mac side. And if you have a laptop with a webcam, it probably came with its own software, so you can record your own videos anyway. So lots of free options available. Blackboard also introduced last version, or maybe version before last, can't recall, a built-in function to record videos directly into Blackboard. So I haven't actually tried that out myself yet, but that looks very promising as well. It looks like you can just go into Blackboard, hit create video, and then click record, and then you have a video. So it's just very easy at this point. I can say quite definitively I have gotten more specific recommendations for this course that I've been doing this in, this large undergraduate course, than I have ever had in any other course I've ever taught. The idea that just having that video there, just having your face there saying, let's talk about the course, especially in an online course, which is what this was, really adds a human element to this interaction. You're not just a faceless grading machine, which is how online course instructors are sometimes viewed. But instead, you're actually a person that's actually thinking about their good. You're thinking about how to make the course good for them. You want them to learn. You want to help them learn. By taking this approach, then you can really communicate that. And you can draw them in to that human element so that they can be an active participant in the course.